Hello everyone, Ishani here, and today I am excited and thankful for this opportunity to create awareness about Turner syndrome. Through the awareness blog hop, It's a Girl Thing. Laurie and Donna have got together with some card makers and more than 35 amazing sponsors to make all of us aware of Turner syndrome, so that the medical field will do more research on how it affects girls and women throughout their lifetime. This is the second year of this hop, and we hope to make more people aware about this genetic disorder that affects only the females. February is the Turner Syndrome Awareness Month, and this syndrome is a leading genetic disorder affecting 1 in 2,000 girls born. TS is a genetic disorder where a female is born with only one X chromosome instead of 2, leaving her with lifelong medical issues and learning disabilities. You can check more about it at Laurie's My Turner Syndrome Journey blog that I have also linked in the description box below. Laurie's daughter Julie has TS, and so she knows the first-hand importance of raising awareness, and now we do too. So for today's card, I chose the symbol of hope for TS, a butterfly, and used the humble crayons for making my card. I'm using my 4-year-old son's very basic wax crayons. They are the best for this technique. And although I am using a fresh pack for the purpose of this video, the best crayons for this technique are the broken ones, which are not being used but being kept for the rainy day. And a heat tool. For the butterfly, I am using Stamplorations Flutter Zen 1 layering dies from the line Cutplorations. And it has these beautiful butterflies where you get 2 dies. One is where you get a shadow and one with beautiful layers in it. Stamplorations are also one of the sponsors for the blog hop, and you must check out their website, which I have linked in the description box below. I start with taking 110 pound Nina Classic Crest cardstock, and I take the colors with which I would color my butterfly. I take brown, which would be for the body of my butterfly, and I just see where the body of the butterfly would be and put my color there. There is no science behind it, it is just melting the wax as we color. I take my heat gun and warm up my paper and look at the pigment. It is so beautiful and nice and dark. So now with the rest of the colors, I take a pink, a dark pink and purple, and after checking where the wings of the butterfly would be, I color accordingly. You could probably make your kid do the same. Maybe you would handle the heat gun and he can do the coloring. And as I color, I take the lightest color, which is pink in this case, and I overlap all the colors together so that they're mixed properly. In between, I keep warming my paper, because if the paper is warm, the crayons, the wax mixes nicely. Do you see the colors? They're so bright and vivid. And these are humble crayons which everybody has at their home. I also take a dry cloth and just rub over in case there are any wax pieces from the crayon left. They can be taken off. The card is very clean and simple, but for a little more drama and texture, I thought I would emboss my card panel through this embossing folder by an Indian brand called Itsy Bitsy, and I take the panel and emboss just a little more than half of it. Do you like how the butterfly looks on this embossed background? The part which is not embossed is the place where I'll stamp my sentiment, "You Are Loved" by Pretty Pink Posh. And I stamp my sentiment with Catherine Pooler Ink's Party Dress, which is a pink color. And then honestly, I get some mark which I erase off. And now is the time to arrange my card, for which I take blush pink cardstock by Craft Angles, and with double-sided foam tape I mount my front panel. I use glue at the center of the butterfly to adhere it on my textured panel, and for a little bling I use some jewels. I hope you liked my idea of using a humble crayon and creating a card which can be made by anybody. You can use any die cuts and create the same effect. All the information regarding the block hop has been written in my blog post, which I'll be linking in my description box below. We hope this will bring an awareness not only about Turner syndrome in females, but that if any human being seems a bit of the ordinary, there could be a health-related or genetic reason for it, and it would be nice to give everyone the benefit of the doubt in our daily lives. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. It means so much to me. I'm glad you stopped by. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.